Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix could not add card, try again later, or contact the card issuer for more information. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If you try to add the card in Apple Pay wallet and it's not working, just simply contact with the card issuer and make sure that if the problem is not on their end. Okay guys, if the problem is not from their end, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the setting and make sure that you're properly connected with internet. Now after that guys, scroll it down a bit, tap on general. First of all, you have to make sure that if you have updated your device to the latest iOS version, and after that close this page and just simply have to force restart your devices depending on which model you are using. After that guys, what you need to do is just simply try to add the card and make sure that if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to open the settings, scroll it down a bit. From here guys, look here for the Apple Pay and Wallet app, and for me guys, what you need to do is just simply try to add the card through the iPhone camera. Okay guys, if it's not working, try to add the card manually and then make sure that if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then it means your card is not supported for Apple Pay wallet. Okay guys, so just simply you have to contact with the issuer, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.